So basically what I'm doing here is I'm taking this shim, I'm trying to thin it down, so I'm using this stone to go back and forth in like a figure 8 motion, and as I do that it thins it out. So I already went from a 145 or 1145 thou to a 1120 now. So I gotta take some more off because I gotta get it down to like 11. So it's about operating temp. It's still probably a little cold. We're in gear. No misfires detected yet, so I'm gonna go drive it, see what it does. But it's definitely smoother than it was. So I drove it for about 20 minutes or so, made sure it's nice and hot. It's way better. We only got one that popped at the very beginning of the drive, but never fired another one. Way better. So I'm working on this 4runner here and doing transmission service, or putting it back together. And you see how the pan's pretty much flat here, and you look and you see how that bolt hole is domed. Well, once it's like that, it won't seal. So somebody just kept trying to tighten it, and it was just leaking. So there's a couple, at least one stripped bolt, but